Hey, what's up guys? It's Summer talking to you here. And in today's video, I want to talk about the iPhone 14 Pro that I've been using. But this time is how I use my iPhone 14 Pro to run my entire channel. Yes, I'm making this video to show you guys that it's possible to run a complete YouTube channel on an iPhone. You don't need expensive camera gears, expensive lenses. You just need a computer and a phone. Yes, iPhone cameras have been insane for video for a long time. But I think that today's video will show you how I actually use my iPhone to record all of my videos, show you the apps that I use, the settings that I like to use, and of course, how I do it. How do I get such a good audio, such good video quality from a phone's camera? No, this is not shot on a DSLR, this is a shot on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And to prove you that this is shot on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And as you can see, it's also a pretty good camera. But if I click on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, click on video, and I'm recording this right now, you can see, and I'm recording my iPhone recording me. So this is Inception. But yes, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max video quality. So yes, this is my studio light. Yep, weird. But this is the iPhone. And if you don't know, that's my mic. So, yep, that's my iPhone 14 Pro Max setup. But I will go deep today's video. I will show you all the settings, the apps that I like to use, and how the iPhone 14 Pro Max runs my channel. So, if you are excited, do not forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has been my favorite tool since I bought it, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I use it. So, if you are excited for this video, let's get started. So, you want to run your YouTube channel on an iPhone 14 Pro Max or on the phone in general. How you do it? Well, in today's video, I will show you my full workflow on YouTube. Yes, this is my full workflow. And the workflow starts by recording the video. This is the video being recorded by the iPhone 14 Pro Max main camera. It's a 24mm equivalent. I think it's an f1.5 according to Apple, but it's not an f1.5 as you can see on the background blur. I think it's about an f4, f5 equivalent. So yeah, that's the video quality of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is being shot on 4K 30 ProRes. Yes, this is being shot on ProRes 10-bit color. The app that I'm using is Cinema P3. I used to use Filmic Pro, but since they went, now that they actually paid on a subscription model, I switched to the Cinema P3, and I couldn't be more happy. Sometimes I like to film videos on cinematic mode. Other times, I like to use this app. And in today's video, I want to completely show you the best quality that this camera can take in terms of videos. And I'm doing so using 4K 30 frames per second ProRes. This is a very big file and takes tons of time to import to my computer. I use my M1 Max MacBook Pro to edit all my videos. And it's a beast of a machine. But still, the iPhone takes tons of time to import this footage. This is a time lapse to show you how much time that it took to import my iPhone 14 Pro Max's footage to my MacBook Pro. It's ridiculous. It's like on the ballpark of an hour. It's just stupid how big these files are and how slow the iPhone is transferring them. Why? Because it's done by Lightning, and Lightning is extremely slow. And then you can also do it via AirDrop. AirDrop is also as slow as Lightning. So you don't have any good choices. That's why I want Apple to add USB-C to the iPhone. But still, you can do it. Takes a lot of time. Takes a lot of work, but you can do it. And this is the best quality out of our iPhone. Stop the video. As you can see, it took 25 minutes to export my footage from my iPhone to my Mac. 25 minutes, 50 gigabytes. Think about that. Yes, Cinema P3 is an incredible app. Right now, I'm filming this video with the current manual settings. I've had the shutter speed locked on 1:60. Because I'm filming a 4K 30 frames per second video, my shutter speed is locked of 1:60. This is a rule that your shutter speed should also be double your frame rate. Then, obviously, I'm locking the white balance, because the white balance on a phone, if you have it on auto white balance, it will just deregulate over the video, and it's just stupid, looks bad. I don't like that. That's one of those settings that I actually detest on a phone. And so, I lock my white balance with a white sheet or something white, and then I lock it on the Cinema P3 app. Works flawlessly, incredible, works great. The only thing that I keep auto is the autofocus, because sometimes I like to pick up products, show them to the camera, and the camera can focus on the products, focus on myself. Works really well, and it doesn't keep anything else out of focus. So that's how I film all my videos on Cinema P3. Then, to import to my computer, like I told you, I use the Lightning cable and Final Cut Pro. I transfer my files from my iPhone to the computer, and it took a long time. As you saw in that time lapse, it was ridiculous. But then, after they are imported, I pick it up, put it on my Final Cut Pro timeline. And here's again a little time lapse of me editing this video. Yes, it takes a lot of time to edit my videos, but now all of the work goes from the iPhone 14 Pro Max to my MacBook Pro. And this is where the MacBook Pro enters. You could run your entire YouTube channel on the iPhone. You could edit all your videos on the iPhone. You could do so on LumaFusion, for example, here on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You could record all your videos here. You could edit all your videos here and launch them, all your videos here, on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But I don't enjoy that. I really like to edit all my videos on my Final Cut Pro timeline in my MacBook Pro. I like to color grade there. I like to video edit there. I like to put all the effects on my videos, and I enjoy it a lot. So yes, I'm video editing right now on the MacBook Pro. Then, after that, I launch it to YouTube. And that's it. I make all my thumbnails on Pixelmator Pro, on my MacBook Pro, and I'm done. Yes, I'm done. I take all of the photos for the thumbnails with my iPhone 14 Pro Max. The only two devices that I actually need to run my YouTube channel is a phone, an iPhone in this case, and a computer to edit. But you could also just use a phone. You could just take all your photos, all your videos, just do it here on the iPhone. It's insane how powerful this tool has gone. Yes, the iPhone 14 Pro Max can run my entire YouTube channel. Does it do it? Yeah, maybe. Sometimes it records all my videos, takes all of my photos, all of my B-roll, but it does not edit my videos. I do prefer to edit all my videos on my MacBook Pro. But that's the advantage of filming on an iPhone. It's extremely easy to transfer my footage from my iPhone to my computer. If I wanted to transfer 4K ProRes footage, yes, it takes a lot of time, but if I want to transfer normal HVAC footage from my iPhone to my computer via AirDrop, is so easy. I don't need no cables, no SD card slots, nothing. It's incredible how good and how fast it is. So yeah, the iPhone has an insane camera that can run my channel pretty well. You don't need expensive gear, you don't need to buy mirrorless cameras for your YouTube channel to be successful. No need for that. Do not waste money. If you have a phone in your pocket, there's no excuses to start a YouTube channel. If you want to follow your dreams, follow your instinct of creating a YouTube channel, do it. Just do it. Do not waste time and create a YouTube channel. It's the hardest part is to start. When you get into routine, you create videos day in, day out. You will get used to it. You will love it. Like me, you will just fall in love with the game. I love making YouTube videos, and this is how I do it. Again, I use an iPhone. I bought a key light. I bought a good microphone for $30. I bought my MacBook Pro, and I'm running my whole YouTube channel. Of course, after a while, you just want to get more professional. You buy mirrorless cameras, you buy lenses, and that's on the process that I'm actually thinking about switching from my iPhone to a mirrorless camera just to improve the quality. But as you can see on this video edit and on this video, the video quality on the iPhone is pretty much good enough. So let me know in the comments down below if you think I should improve on the video quality and buy a mirrorless camera, or should I keep using my iPhone 14 Pro Max to record all of my videos, or even in the future the iPhone 15 Pro Max or 15 Ultra. Do you want my channel to keep being recorded on an iPhone so it's more true and real to reality, or do you want a mirrorless camera so it looks even more professional? Me, I would like to buy a mirrorless camera and take the channel to another level. But let me know in the comments down below what you think. It's your choice. So, yes, I do think the iPhone 14 Pro Max can run an entire YouTube channel. I'm the living proof of it. I've been running this YouTube channel for 2 years now, and my workflow has, as you saw, incredible, works well. I can launch a video in 2 days, record it in 1 day, video edit it, and launch a video the next day. It's simple, it's efficient, it's easy. The only part that I don't enjoy is transferring ProRes footage from my iPhone to my computer. But that's until Apple launches the iPhone with USB-C. After that, the problem is solved, and I will keep loving filming videos with my iPhone 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max in that case, when Apple launches USB-C. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is incredible. Love it so much. I also ran my YouTube channel here, but the only problem with the iPhone 13 Pro Max was the main sensor. This was only a 12 megapixel sensor, and I think it lost a little bit of detail and sharpness, and I think now the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a bit more detail. It has the 4K 30 cinematic mode, which is insanely cool to mimic mirrorless cameras blur, and I think the iPhone 14 Pro Max is just that little bit much better that makes the video quality top notch. But let me know in the comments below what you think. I do really enjoy filming all of my videos on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Do you like the quality of my videos? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, do not forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. This has been Tech Smart talking to you here. Bye bye.